Hi, in front of me is ULEFONE Armor 5S, and today I would like to show you how you can download and apply colorful edges on this device. First of all, go into Play Store. Now type edges and download this app from this developer. Open it. Tap on this theme, name it and click OK Creative. Then close an app. Okay, so I have to do it off camera because it's not working. Okay. So now over here you can customize your edges however you want to. For example, you can change run style, add pattern, select animation speed, border size, and many other things. For example, you can adjust it to the notch. When you're done but you want to leave your current wallpaper, you can always tap on one of these sources like photos, select the photo, then adjust it and click at the top right corner. When you're done, click Create. Now tap on the theme that you created, choose Enable Wallpaper, click on Set Wallpaper at the top right corner, and decide if you want it to be on home screen or home screen and lock screen by clicking on one of the options. So now when I go back, I can see that my edges were successfully applied. But if you want to see them when you use apps, you can always go back into the app, select Home over here, scroll all the way down and tap on the switcher next to Enable Overlay Other App. Now select Yes, click on the switcher over here, go back, and tap on the same switcher one more time. As you can see, now I can see my edges when I use apps. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!